Hi there, fourth graders. So, looking over the home links, it looks like that a lot of us needed a little bit more help with rounding, and we started at really high numbers to round, and maybe we forgot. So, it's completely fine. So, let's just take a quick look at this. Let's start all the way down. All right? Rounding to the nearest 10. Now, here you see I counted by tens. 10, 20, start at 0. I always start at 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All of these numbers are in the tens. Okay? And really quick, if I'm going too fast, feel free to slow down. I will purposely stop for you to be able to pause. Okay? So when we're rounding, let's look at this. It says half. So we're rounding to the nearest 10. What's half of 10? 5. Very good. So half of 10 is 5. And that's going to come into play right here. So we have the number 38. Okay? So we have the number 38. We know that 38 comes in between. If we're counting, we'll get to 30, and then eventually 38, 39, 40. So it's going to come in between here someplace. Now, here's why we need to know what half is. Because if half is 5, then halfway in between 30 and 40 is 35. Okay? So if we're rounding now, we're going to place 38 either on this side of 35 or on this side of 35. So let's count 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I haven't gotten to 38 yet, so I know it's on this side. 36, 37, 38. Okay? Now, if we're rounding to the nearest 10, we would either round to 30 or to 40. And since it's on this side of the wall, we know that we're going to round this way to 40. Okay? So 38 gets rounded to 40. Let's do another one. 72. We know that comes in between 70 and 80. Very good. So I'll draw this line right here. We know that half is 5, so 75 is our halfway mark. And then we need to figure out what side it comes on. 70, 71, 72. We know it comes way before 75, so we're going to round down. Okay? We cannot cross this wall. We cannot cross that wall, so we're rounding down to 70. So let's put that over here. 38 rounds to 40. 72 rounds to 70. Let's keep going. 66. Now, in your head, you might be thinking to yourself, oh my gosh, I get it now. 66 is one more than 65, so I know that I'm rounding up to 70. And if you did that, great. If not, then here's what it looks like again. 65 is right here. Oh, wow. That's just magical. And I know 66 comes right after 65. Wow. So 66 also rounds to 70. Fantastic. All right, let's do one more with a two-digit number. And this number is 21. 21. You're welcome. Little throwback. So if we're going to place 21, we know that it comes right after 20. Okay? So I'm going to draw my halfway mark, 25. Obviously, if we're counting 20, 21, it comes right after. So we are going to round down. Bloop. That is a terrible arrow. So then I'm going to write 21 rounds to 20. Now, here's the thing. You can have a 3-digit number, 4-digit number, any number, and they can ask you to round to the nearest 10. So here's what you do for that. So we have the number 783. And you might be thinking to yourself, OMG. That's not a 10-digit number. But no, there is a 10-digit number in there. So let's find the 10-digit. Ones, tens. So then let's cut that off, okay? So we have our 7. And then now we can round 83 to the nearest 10. All right, you with me so far? So we cut that off. We found the 10-digit number, or 2-digit number rounding to the nearest tens. So we have 83, and we know that comes in between 80 and 90. And we know that half is 85. And then 83, so 80, 81, 82, 83 would be about right here, which definitely comes before 85. So we would round 83 back down to 80. So then this would become 80. So 783 rounds down to 780. Let's look at another one. 1,429. Okay, again, let's find the tens place. Ones, tens. So cut that off. Bring down the 1 and the 4. Now we have the number 29. All right, so right here we have that number 29. Let's see where we would put it. We know 29 comes in between. Oh, get off of there. 29 comes in between 20 and 30. And we know that 29 is right before 30. So it obviously comes after 25. So we round up to 30. All right? So we round up to 30, which means that rounding to the nearest 10, 1,429 is 1,430. All right. Shake your heads loose. Shake them. Let's keep going. And if I'm going too slow for you, then feel free to speed up and go to the 10,000s, 100,000s, okay? But I am going to just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Now we're rounding to the nearest 100. So we're rounding to the nearest 100, and we know that half of 100 is 50. So our halves are going to be 50. So 150, 250, 350, and so on. Okay? So let's look at our first one. Oh, yeah, we already did it. 382. I want you to try this one on your own right now. Where would 382 go in between? In between 100 and 200? That wouldn't make sense. 200 and 300? That wouldn't make sense. 300 and 400? Absolutely. But now, which side does it go on? Go ahead and try it. Good. So 310, 20, 30, 40, 350. We did not cross 380 yet. So we know that it comes on this side of the wall, and we round to 400. So 382 rounds to 400. Perfecto. Let's keep going. 726. So 726. Go ahead, pause the video, try it on your own. Which hundred is it closest to? Which hundred is it closest to? Go ahead and try and see if you got the right answer. All right, welcome back. Hi, hey, how's it going? It's me again. All right, so 700. We know that half in between 700 and 800 is 750. And now we're just going to place this. 710, 720. Oh, we did not pass 750 yet, and we got to the 720s, so we know that it comes before 750, which means we round down to 700. So do you see, when it says nearest hundred, 726 is closest to the 700. So 726 to 700. Look at us go, we're going so fast. Oh no, don't look at those. All right, 333. All right, back into the 300s. That was lazy, Mr. Frost. Hey, don't say that. So 333, go ahead and try it on your own. Are you back? Welcome back, hey. So 310, 320, 330 did not pass by 350 yet. So we know we're on this side of 350, which means that we're going to 300. Ooh, fantastic. It's lovely, really lovely over there. All right, next. Going crazy, Mr. Frost. 918. Ooh, that's a big boy. That's a big number. So 918. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So I know it's in between 900 and 1,000. And we know that right in between that is 950. Good, good. You really are paying attention. So if we're counting 900, 910, 920. Oh, we already passed it because we're at 918. And we definitely didn't pass 950. So we know for sure that we're on this side of 950. And look, it's cuddling with its big 900. Oh, that's adorable. Yes, good. So 900. Yes, that's what I said. That is also a terrible arrow. Good. So, good. But Mr. Frost, what about some higher numbers? Oh, very good question. So you're saying, what if they give you a big old number like 4,213? Same thing. So now the directions say to round to the nearest hundred. So let's do that. Let's find the hundreds first. So ones, tens, hundreds. Our number that we're going to round is 213. So we bring down the 4. Now we're just going to place 213. And I can see right here that 213. If I'm bringing it right here, I know that 213, let's make you a little bit smaller. 210, 220. Oh, I already passed it. So 213 did not pass 250, so we round down to 200. So this is going to become 200. And that's rounding to the nearest 100 for that. And finally, the big boy. And let's say this word or this number together. This is our 1,000, comma. So let's read that. 36,549. Let's find our hundred. Ones, tens, hundreds. Schmeep. So now we're doing 549. Mr. Frost, did you do that on purpose? Absolutely. We're bringing down our 36. Now we're rounding to the nearest hundred with 549. Okay, make it smaller. So 400, 500, 550. Oh, that is a 5, not a 6, I promise. So 550. So 549, 550. 549 comes one number before 550, which means that it's still on this side, which means that we are still rounding down to 500. So that's going to become 500. All right. Now let's round to the nearest 1,000. And then we'll take a short break. Oh no, Mr. Frost. Why would you do that? Okay, don't look, people. Blah, 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 blah. Great. Now you'll never see them again. All right. So round to the nearest 1,000. We're going to move a little quicker. Half of 1,000 is 500. All right. So they are a little bit pushed together, and that's okay. I'm gonna move it down a little bit. So half is 500. So 1,500, 2,500 down the middle. Let's go ahead and take a look at our numbers. So 1,785. We know that comes after 1,000, but before 2,000. So right here. Let's draw half, which is 1,500. Fantastic. Make it a little smaller, of course. Great. If we're labeling or placing 1,785, which side would it come on? Would we say 700 before 500 or after 500? 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500. Oh, sorry. Exactly. We would say it after, so it comes on this side, and we round up to 2,000. So 1,785 rounds to 2,000. I don't know what's wrong with my arrows today, people. All right, next number. All right, first read that number. Very good, 6,235. We know we're counting. 1,000, no, 2,000, nope, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. Yay! It has a 6,000 in it. So let's put it right there. Let's draw our halfway marker. So 6,500. Make it smaller, of course. Oh, whoops. $6,500. If we were counting, where would we place it? 6,000, 6,100, 6,200. Exactly. We did not pass by 6,500 yet. So it's on this side. And we round down to 6,000. So 6,235 rounds to 6,000. What about 9,877? Let's take a look, shall we? Yes. Good idea. Oh, jeez. Come on, Mickey. Don't come out right now. All right. 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Yay! But where will it land? Let's see. So 9,500, of course. Smaller. 9,500. We know that if we're counting 9,500, 9,600, 9,700, 9,800, definitely on this side. So 9,877 would round up to 10,000. Yay, 10,000. But wait a minute. There's more! Some harder ones, of course. No. Let's skip that one. 3,349. If you know where to place it, then go ahead. Go ahead and try it. It would be placed by 3,000. All right. 98,671. Oh my gosh. So let's say that number again. 98,671. Bloop, 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 bloop. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to find the 1,000. So 1, 10, 100, thousands. Close it off. Now you see we have 8,671. The 9 stays. And then we'll write this number, 8,671. Where would we place it? Oh, don't do that. 5,000, nope. 6,000, nope. Hey, come on. 7,000, nope. 8,000, yeah! But where will it fall again? 8,500. 8,671 is greater than 8,500. So it goes on this side, and see, it would land or fall on the 9,000. So we'll make this 9,000. Whoopsies. See? Even teachers make mistakes. That looks pretty silly if you ask me. So 99,000 is your final answer. Try this one on your own. Give it a try. 123,987. Oh my gosh. That's a big number. So 123,987. Good luck with that one. If you think you can try that on your own, give it a try. If not, follow along with me. But then when you finish, check your answer here anyway. Alright, so I'm going to change this color because, I mean, come on. You can't do the same color all the time, right? Alright, so we're finding the 1,000. So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Making the box. Bring down whatever is not in the box. 1, 2. So let's find out. 3,987. Where would we place it? Oh, where would we place it? 2,000, 3,000. Looks promising. So we put it right there. 3,500. Because that's the middle. Make it smaller. 3,500. 3,987 is much greater than 3,500. So 3,500, 3,600, 3,700, 800, 900. It's literally 13 away from 4,000. So if it fell, it would fall on that side of the fence. So we round up to 4,000. So this becomes 4,000. And your answer would be 124,000. Do you see how the answer has 4,000 in it? That's because we're rounding to the nearest 1,000. All right. Take a little break. We did a lot right now. And then come back when you are ready to do 10,000s and 100,000s. Taking a break, taking a break. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, hi, welcome back. I'm sorry, I didn't see you there. Okay, so let's take another looky look. Hey, you're doing a great job so far, and I'm really, really proud. All right, round to the nearest 10,000. Oh, no. How could you do that again? Let me guess, it did it for this one too. Oh no, don't show it. Don't ever look at it again. Good. All right. So let's keep going. That was not embarrassing. I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, so round to the nearest 10,000. So we have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 100,000. Oh my gosh. That's just how much money I make, obviously. What is half of 10,000? Well, Mr. Frost, we know half of 10 is 5, so it must be 5,000. You are just way too smart. So 5,000 is definitely half. Good job. Why'd you come up? Okay, good job. So 5,000. So let's keep playing along with these big old numbers. Oh, man. Boop, boop, boop. 72,453. So first of all, where would we put it? 40, 50, 60, 70? Oh, yeah, right there. But where is it going to fall? Oh, yeah. So half is 5,000, so 75,000. Which way is it going to fall? Strong with the force you are. It's falling, falling, falling. 70, 71,000, 72,000. Comes way before 75,000. So we're rounding to here. 70,000. So 72,453. Oh my gosh, you noticed that if this right here is less than 5,000, that you're going to round down? Wow, so proud. Seriously, so proud. So 70,000. So 70,000. Wonderful. Let's keep going because you're rock stars. 87,398. Try it on your own. We're rounding to the nearest 10,000. So all of these numbers so far, they end in the 10,000s. Okay, if you pause the video, then you're trying it on your own. If not, then you're trying it with me. And when I say trying with me, letting me do it. How dare you? That's okay. All right, so we have 87,398. 70,000, 80,000. Good. So it's coming in between 80,000 and 90,000. And we know that right in between here is 85,000. Oh, sweet. Oh no, terrible zeros. Oh, look how far apart those zeros are. No! Come back! So 85,000. That was not strange. If we're placing it, if it's fallen, is it coming before 85,000 or after 85,000? Go ahead and do it. Think. It's coming after 85,000. Very good. So now we're rounding to 90,000. So 87,398 rounds to 90,000. Oh my gosh, you're doing so well. Lucky you, you get to hear this voice all day, every day. Wait a minute. 72,923? Mr. Frost, did you do that on... Yes, I did do that on purpose. Because this is a real easy one. You see that this is in the 72,000s. This is also in the 72,000s. So you must be thinking to yourself, oh, this also rounds down because it's not greater than or equal to 75,000. Interesting. Once you know some answers, like 72,800 would round down to 70,000. 72,999 would round down to 70,000 because it's not in the 75,000s or greater. Okay, so 72,923. Oh, what is that? Rounds to 70,000. Oh, terrific. Let's do one more. 57,092. 55,000 right here. We know that 57,000... You do it first! Ha-ha! I tricked you. You tell me, is it closer to 50,000 or 60,000? And we know that it comes in between these two. But where is it closest? Where? Good. It's closest to 50 or to 60,000 because it's past 55,000. So we round up to 60,000. Absolutely wonderful. Now, it's even bigger numbers, baby. Oh my gosh, how do you read that number? That's a great question, whoever just asked that. 763, that comma's 1,000, so 763,459. Well, Mr. Frost, I know that we're rounding to the nearest 10,000. Yes. So let's find the 10,000. I don't know what that was either. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s. So schmear, 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 hi, schmear, schmear. So bring down the 7 because it's not in the box. Now we're rounding 63,459. Oh, 63,459. Okay, we make you a little bit smaller. Yes, very good. Would it go here? No, because what? Why would that? Why would it go there? Would it go here? No, nope, nope. Or would it go here? Yep, 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 yep. Because it's in between 60,000 and 70,000. So make these 65,000. Oh my. So 63,459. I know you heard it too. 63,000 is less than 65,000. So it would definitely come before 65,000. So we would round down to, oh, get back, 60,000. Oh, I don't know why that happened. All right, good. 60,000. So I'm making this 60,000. So 763,459 rounds down to 760,000. And finally, 468,000. Mr. Frost, did you do that again? Yes, of course. So 468,000. We are not even going to do it. Fine, we'll do it. Oh my gosh. If you're going to force me. So 468,000. Again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Oh my gosh, we have a 68,000 here. We had a 63,000 here. We knew that 63,000 was too small, but 68,000, that is higher than 65,000. So we're rounding up to 70,000. So we keep the 4, and we're rounding up to 70,000. All right. Oh my gosh. Take a little stretch break. Simon says freeze. Simon says touch your head. Simon says touch your eyeball. Simon says. Oh. Ow. All right. Let's just do 100,000. And then you finished. And then you can give yourselves a big round of applause. And you can be so proud of yourselves. Okay. All right. So round to the nearest 100,000. What is half of 100,000? Oh, Mr. Frost, I know that half of 100. Oh, let's change the color. That's getting boring now. Okay, good idea. Hmm. Oh, let's do that. Let's change it to red. No, orange. Aren't you glad? You're welcome. All right, so I know that half of 100 is 50, and then 1,000. So half would be 50,000. Fantastical. Bye. Okay. So round to the nearest 100,000. 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, 500,000, 600,000, 700,000, 800,000, 900,000, a million. Okay, too much, you're right. So let's look at this number. 988,872. We know it wouldn't come in between these two. We know it comes in between 900,000 and 1 million. But which way does it fall? So 950,000 is in the middle. Okay, yep, there we go. Good. Make it a little smaller. 950,000 is in the middle. Would 988,000 come before or after 950,000? And if you're not sure, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, nope, 60, 70, 80, 88,000 comes after. So we're going to round to a million. You know, which is around how much money I have in my bank account. So, not a big deal at all. I am not lying, whoever said that, probably, because it's true, I am lying. I do not have that money. What? Rounds to 1, comma, 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. No more commas. All right, 802,563. So 850,000.
Okay, make it a little bit smaller now. Okay, just a little.
So 850,000. If we had 802,000, it would definitely come before 850,000. It's only 2,000 away from 800,000. So it's just going to go.
Okay, hi there. I'm really close to you.
So we know that it's rounding to 800,000. All right. 802,563 rounds to 800,000. Okay, next. 344,984. This number brought to you by State Farm. It's really not. I'm not getting paid for that. What are you talking about? So 344,984. We know it comes in between 300,000 and 400,000. But where? So 350,000 is our middle. That's our dividing line.
Okay, make it a little smaller.
So 344,984. We can tell that the 44 is very, very close to the 50,000, but we know that if we were counting 344,000, 45,000, 46,000, 47,000, 48,000, 49,000, 350,000, it definitely comes before. So it's on this side. So it's like, hey, 300,000, I'm on your team now. Whoop, whoop, yeet. And now they're best buddies. So 344,984 rounds to 300,000. All right, listen up. This is your absolute last question. Oh no, don't be sad. We'll see each other soon. It's okay. This is your last question, and I need you to round to the nearest 100,000 with this number.
3, comma, 7, 2, 7,
Comma 4, 5, 1. So thousands, comma, millions, comma. So 3,727,451. I'm going to give you, now you take as much time as you need to round to the nearest 100,000. How to do that? So round to the nearest 100,000. Ready, go. Okay, and you pause the video, and now you're back to check your answer, or you never paused it and you just want to do it with me. That's even better. Okay, so we have to find the 100,000 spot. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 spot. So we put that in our little box. We put it in our box. We bring down that 3 million. Oh, yeah. So we have the 3 million, and then we have in the box with the 100,000, 727,451. Right? I'm going to make it smaller, of course, because that's what I always do, apparently, for some reason. So 727,451. It's going to become between 500,000, 600,000? No. Between 600,000, no. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. All right. So 750,000. Ooh, I'm gonna have to make you a little bit smaller. 50,000. Now you tell me, what side does it come on? Does it come on this side? 727,000? 451. Does it come before 750,000 or after 750,000? If I said, would you rather have $727,451 or $750,000, you would all say 750,000 because this is more, which means that this number is less. So it comes on that side, so it rounds down. So 3,727,451 will round to 3,700,000. All right. Hopefully that makes a little bit more sense. If not, then please feel free to see your teacher, and we will give you harder problems, easier problems, problems to practice on your own. But that's the basics of rounding, okay? All right. Adios.